North Sentinel Island lies deep in the Bay of Bengal, untouched by time. It's home to the Sentinelese, one of the world's last uncontacted tribes. They've remained isolated for over 60,000 years. Attempts to contact them have ended in violence. In 2006, 2 fishermen were killed after their boat drifted too close. Their bodies were never recovered. Even helicopters flying above have been met with arrows and stones. But what makes this island truly forbidden is the mystery behind it. Why do they reject all contact so aggressively? Some believe they may carry ancient knowledge, or perhaps diseases the modern world has long forgotten. In 2018, American missionary John Allen Chow tried to enter the island, hoping to preach Christianity. He was killed within hours. His diary read, "God, please, I don't want to die." The Indian government has since banned anyone from coming within 5 kilometers. Is it to protect the Sentinelese from us, or to protect us from them? In the heart of the Nevada desert lies a facility so secret, its very existence was denied for decades. Area 51, a name whispered in conspiracy theories and late-night radio shows. Officially, it doesn't even exist on any map, surrounded by fences, motion sensors, and armed patrols. The base is protected by signs that read, "Use of deadly force authorized." But what exactly are they protecting? And more importantly, why? For decades, former employees and whistleblowers have made shocking claims. Top-secret aircraft, reverse-engineered alien technology, even biological specimens, not from this Earth. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar came forward. He claimed he worked at a nearby facility, reverse-engineering UFO propulsion systems. He described gravity manipulation and a mysterious element that didn't exist on the periodic table back then. Element 115. At the time, it was science fiction. Years later, it became real. Whether you believe him or not, you have to ask yourself, why the extreme secrecy? Why is even a flyover banned? And what else are we not being told? Before we reveal the next forbidden place, if you're intrigued by hidden history, make sure to like this video and subscribe for weekly dives into the unknown. Now, let's travel across the Atlantic to an island said to be cursed by death itself. Just off the coast of Venice, there's an island few dare to mention, and none are allowed to visit. It's called Poveglia, and its history is soaked in death. During the Black Plague, this tiny island became a dumping ground for infected corpses. Over 160,000 bodies were burned or buried here. Some believe up to 60% of the soil is human ash. But that wasn't the end. In the 20th century, a psychiatric hospital was built on top of that mass grave. Patients reported hearing voices, seeing shadows. One doctor was said to conduct cruel experiments until he supposedly jumped, or was pushed, from the hospital tower. Legend says he died screaming, claiming he was being dragged by ghosts. Today, Italian law forbids public access. Boats don't dock. Locals stay away. And the few who've dared to sneak in say they never felt alone. Are these just ghost stories? Or is the island holding on to something that refuses to be buried. If you're enjoying this descent into the unknown, leave a comment with the place you'd never dare visit, and keep watching. It only gets darker from here. In the capital of the most secretive nation on Earth is a room you'll never see. Room 39, inside a government building in Pyongyang, is said to be the financial heart of North Korea's elite. It has no official address, no public record, but according to defectors and intelligence reports, Room 39 oversees counterfeiting, cybercrime, and the global drug trade, funneling billions into the hands of the regime. Some say it's also involved in nuclear arms deals and the illegal sale of gold and ivory. Access is restricted to only the most trusted officials. There's no footage, no photos, no proof, only whispers. In 2017, the US government called Room 39 a criminal organization masquerading as a state. So why is it still operating in the shadows? Because in a place where truth is outlawed, secrets become currency. Hit the like button if this one gave you chills, and stay with us. The final location might be the most isolated of them all. In 1963, something strange rose from the sea. A volcanic eruption off the southern coast of Iceland gave birth to a brand new island, Surtsey. But unlike other islands, Surtsey was locked down the moment it formed. No tourists, no settlements. Only a handful of scientists are allowed to step foot there, and even they follow strict protocols. Why? Because Surtsey is a living experiment, a natural laboratory, untouched by civilization. Scientists wanted to see how life begins, on fresh volcanic soil, how birds, insects, and plants colonize pure land without a single human interference. Even one dropped seed could ruin decades of data. No shoes from the mainland, no snacks, no bathroom breaks, without special permission. The island is like Earth in its earliest form, pure, raw, unforgiving, and we are not welcome. If you're still watching, you're exactly the kind of curious mind we built forbidden files for. Subscribe now and join us weekly as we uncover what was never meant to be seen.